Let me tell you a quick story about this church. They rented 7 15-passenger vans, went to a park, started watching fireworks, and they let the kids get up on the roof and jump up and down and sit up there and stand up there and use it for stadium seating. Needless to say, when the vans were returned, the church had to pay for the roofs on all 7 vans plus the loss of use fee, and now that church can only rent chartered motor coaches with drivers. Hi, I'm Craig Speck with Speck Transportation. We provide ground transportation for groups all over the world with and without drivers. Give me a call today at 817-477-3003 and I'll send you a copy of my brand new second book where I cover the 6 outrageous transportation scams and how to avoid them, and that includes van rental insurance.